Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to talk about tonsil stones. While we look at some of these highlights and top pops from around the web, please click the subscribe button, then the notification bell for our updates. Without that bell, you won't see our best age-restricted videos. Tonsil stones, or tonsilloliths, are calcified debris and bacteria in the crypts of the tonsils. They are common in this generation of Americans because fewer and fewer people are having their tonsils removed. Tonsil stone removal can be fairly simple. Some people use a dental irrigator, which is essentially a water syringe, to blast them out. Other people pick them out with a lighted medical pick like this. We'll put an Amazon link to our favorite tonsil stone removal kit in the description below. It includes a lighted pick, case, 2 sets of batteries, a variety of tips, and a 10-pack of nitro gloves. It's the best kit on Amazon, so check it out. And stick around for the end of the video because I'll show you some of my favorite large tonsil stone pictures. A lighted pick does wonders for removing tonsil stones quickly and efficiently. Pressing with a Q-tip or your finger can cause damage to the tonsils and even increase the size of the tonsil crypts, making the condition worse. The dental irrigator also serves a purpose after removal. You can spray in water to irrigate the tonsil and clean out tiny bits of debris that you may have missed, effectively eliminating stones before they have the chance to develop. Again, check out that lighted tonsil stone pick in the description. The entire kit's a bargain and it ships from the US, and each one is hand inspected. Nice.